Merging column is an excellent feature in Power Query as it allows you to combine values from different columns into one. However, the result may differ based on whether you use it from Transform tab or Add Column tab. Let's look at an example. Suppose we have a data set with columns for last name, first name and middle name, and we want to combine them into a full name. So this is our first task. Let us send our data set to Power Query. So click anywhere inside the data set, go to data, from table ranges. So Excel will convert this into a table before sending it to Power Query, and it has headers. Press OK. We will name our query as full name. When merging columns in Power Query, the order in which you select them determines the order of the end result. So in our case, we want the first name to appear at the beginning. So we'll choose it first and then hold on Control key and select the middle name and the last name. We can merge the columns by either right clicking on them and selecting merge column from here, or by going to Transform tab and selecting merge column from there. Both option works the same way. Once we have merged the column, we can name the resulting column full name and save our changes. Following these steps, we can quickly and easily combine columns in Power Query to create a new column with the desired information. Let us try it. So I'll click on merge column. I have the freedom to choose the separator that I want to use between the columns of my data. So I'll keep them separate to avoid any confusion. So I'll prefer a space as a separator, and then I will name the column name as full name and press OK. So I receive the first name, middle name and the last name in my data. However, notice an extra space when I receive the data for people who are not having a middle name. This happens because Power Query adds an extra space for cells with the null value. To fix this issue, I have come up with a solution. So instead of transforming the data, I added a new column called full name and merged the column into one. Let me show you how. Select first name, hold on Control and select middle name and last name in the order which you want. Then go to add column and merge column. So it will ask me for a separator. I selected space and the merged column name will be full name. Press OK. So now with this approach, I no longer have an extra space in the full name column and Power Query ignores the null value. So now I want to remove other columns. I will select full name, right click and remove other column. Now my task is over. I can send the data to Excel. So I can select home, close and load to, from table, existing worksheet, and I will paste my data over here. Press OK and our first task is complete. Now we'll do second and third task together. From here you can again go back to Power Query editor. Now the second and third task is to make our first name and last name with a proper case, and the third task is to bring the first character of the middle name, make it in caps, and it must follow by a dot. To do this, I have to go to the step before the merge column. So we did merge column over here. So we'll go to change type and then select first name and last name. Go to transform, format and capitalize each word. We need to insert a step over here. We'll press insert and our first name and last name now are in proper case. For the middle name, we will select the middle name, go to transform, then extract, and we have to select first characters, click insert, and it will ask for how many characters you want to keep. So in our case, we want only one. Press OK. And now we have to make this in capital as well. So go to format, uppercase, click insert, and we have to add a suffix. So add suffix, insert, and dot. All right, so now our transformation is done. Let us see the last step, and it is coming proper. Let us now load this data to Excel, close and load, and now it is in proper format. Now let us check with the sample data. So I have two names over here. I'll paste it here, and then I will just refresh this, and it has transformed it correctly. So I hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.